Break free from power cords and air hoses with Matco's new variable speed dual action sander polisher. The powerful 16-volt motor tackles tough jobs from sanding and prepping to polishing and is loaded with professional features. We designed this tool to meet the most demanding technicians' needs. Let's hear what they think.
Hey, I'm Russell at Russell's Mobile Detail Service. I've been detailing cars for 15 years now. This tool right here has variable speed. You can go from low to high. It also helps you out when you're going along bumpers and stopping on the fenders. You can slow it down, speed it back up after you get along the flat surfaces. Definitely pulls the polish out.
My name is Bailey Nichols. I've been a technician for about 10 years now. It's better because there's no air hose in your way. I also really love the speed lock switch. It locks speed. I don't have to hold the trigger down the whole time.
Contact your local Matco distributor for more information.